Hi, this is HaydenAhn, and today we'll be going over first grade lesson 18 math. Alright, so let's get straight into it. More addition facts practice, find the sums. So if we look at the example real quick, so there's going to be a number in the middle, and then 5 numbers on the outside, and then we just have to find the sums. So if we look at the example, 5 plus 5 is 10. Quite simple. Let's just do... because they already did one for us in number 1, let's just go straight to number 2 then. Let's pick 7 and 6. So 7 plus 6 is, you guys should know how to do this by now, but we can just do 7 plus 3, and that's 10. And we can just do 10 plus 3, and that is 13. So 7 plus 6 is 13. The answer is 13. Let's also do 7 and 8. So for this one, if we know 7 plus 6 is 13, guys. If we know 7 plus 6 is 13, and then 7 plus 8 is just 2 more, then we can just do 13 plus 2, and we get 15. So the answer to 7 plus 8 is 15. Of course, if you don't want to do it like that, here, let's move on to here. Number 3, 6 plus 8. Of course, if you don't want to do it the way I just did it, then you can always just do, gonna need a lot of space for this, but 6, and move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps, and count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The answer to 6 plus 8 is 14. Again, we can do that for 6 and 5. 6 and move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps and count 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer to 6 plus 5 is 11. Let's just do one more. 8 plus 9. So for this one, you can do... Let's just do 9 plus 1 to make it easier, and that's 10, we know that. And then from there we can just do 10 plus 7, which is much easier than 9 plus 8, and that is 17. So the answer to 8 plus 9 is 17. Sorry, make that neater. 17. And just like that. It's pretty self-explanatory, you just do the math. And moving on to subtraction facts 15 to 18. So this is the classic, we look at the pictures and we just write a number sentence. So let's get straight into it. Start with number 1. So first, as always, I'll color code it for us. This first section is the same as this line. This section in blue right here is going to be the same as this line. And the answer is basically this. Or, sorry. I messed up. My bad, guys. Hold up. Let's try that again. The total, because it's subtraction, is going to be the first number. The section that leaves is going to be the second number. And then the section that stays is going to be the answer. So if we try this, we can do total. So we can color code this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So bear with me, I know you can't see it, but you guys can also count in your heads. So the total number first will be 16. And then, so the section in blue is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 of them left, so 16 minus 8. And the section in green right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which means 8 remains. Of course, instead of counting, you can just do the actual subtraction. Let's try that again for number 4. So here, I'll color code it for us again. the total amount is first line. The amount that leaves is second line. And the amount that stays is the answer. So if we get straight into this, let's count again. Total amount first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it's a really big number, but that is our first number, 18. Usually for subtraction, here's a tip. The first number is the biggest number. So if you don't get the biggest number for the first number, you're probably doing something wrong. So let's go to blue section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 18 minus 9. And then the green section. Or this time, actually we already counted for the first problem. So for this time, we can just do the math. 18 minus 9 is, you can start from 18 and go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And count backwards. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So the answer to this problem is 9. It's as simple as that. Alright, well, let's move on to money word problems. This is also quite a classic. I'll color code this one for us too. Look at the pictures above to find out how much each item costs, and read and solve the word problems. We should be used to this now, I think. So let's just go straight into number 1. Sean bought sunglasses right here, and a fishing pole right here. So how much did he spend? First, let's do the easy stuff. How much did he spend? You can see the word and how much did he spend is asking, so which is for an addition problem. So in the circle goes a plus sign. And then now, let's go up here to the cost. So first, the sunglasses, they were 20 cents. So we can write that for our first box. 20 plus the fishing rod, which is 75 cents right here. So in our second line, it would be 75. And then the answer would just be 20 plus 75. So for this one, we can just add downward. So 0 plus 5 is 5. And 2 plus 7 is 9. So the answer is 95. Let's do number 4. Sue had 85 cents. She bought a jump rope. I'll color code it for us. A jump rope. And how much did she have left? So this is a left question, which means it is asking for subtraction. So in the circle, you put a minus. And Sue had 85, so you can just bring this number straight over because it is the big number. And she bought a jump rope. So let's go look up here. A jump rope was 44 cents. So 85 minus 44 is, again, we can just go straight down. So 5 minus 4 is 1, and 8 minus 4 is 4. So the answer is 41 here. You guys can add the cents like this. You guys should add the cents, because labeling is really important. Let's move on. Oops. Using a picture graph. So this one's a little new. Use the picture graph to answer the questions. So this is self-explanatory. Just follow the directions. There is a picture graph given to us right here, and we just have to use it to answer the questions. So let's start with number 1. How many baseballs did Sam hit? So first, let's find Sam's name on the picture graph. So right here, Sam. And Sam hit, or you can just count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Sam hit 4 baseballs. Let's also do number 5. How many baseballs did Jay hit? So if we look for Jay is right here. right? So if we just count for J, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer to number 5 is 6. So if you didn't get the picture, how a picture graph works by doing these 2 example problems, basically, Sam has a certain amount of balls next to him, right? And that is the number of baseballs he hit. So if you just count, that means Sam hit 4, Donna hit this many, Beth hit this many, Tom hit this many, Jay hit this many, and it just goes down the line. So it's just the number next to them, or the amount of balls next to them, I guess. So let's just do the last question now. Jay hit more baseballs than Sam. How many more baseballs did Jay hit? So Jay hit more baseballs than Sam. How many more baseballs did Jay hit? So this is a subtraction problem. So we can just put a minus in the circle first. And we actually answered these 2 questions right here. Jay was our red and Sam was our blue. So if we go up here, Jay hit 6. So we can write 6 as the, we can write 6 as our big number. And Sam hit 4. So we can do 4. And the difference, 6 minus 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. So the answer is 2 more baseballs. And that is the end of our lesson. Thank you.